Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Girome, Smith-Morra gambit. Maybe I'll just take on c6 for 95.
Check.
That's interesting. Let me target his queen. Interesting. There might also be queen c4 coming up. Just winning a pawn. Or forcing e6 at least to close up that bishop. There's knight c4 for knight d6. Knight c4, friends knight d6. If I can get his dark square bishop, that'd be good. e6, knight d6. Surely. Knight a3, start developing. Right, has he got over the worst if he just plays g6? Can't punish him at all in this position now. Knight a5. Apparently not. Okay. Maybe just bishop e5 just to sort of be ready to weaken his king a bit. I play bishop e5, can't be that bad, can it? Just hold things over. Okay, let's. I don't like that. That's not nice. I have to protect the queen, I think. Get rid of some squares without weakening myself totally. b4, there's always knight d5. Well, there's bishop takes g7 there. I'm just wondering about this knight a5 business. It might be worth it to play knight a5. Otherwise, what is my knight doing on c4 anyway? Knight a5 looks like a logical kind of idea against that pawn. Got him thinking. Okay, got him thinking. Queen b6, bishop d4. Queen b6 is a check, bishop d4. Alright. Maybe c4 just to stop knight d5. So I get h3 g4. Knight d4 coming up. take that, I think. Knight d4 is not possible. Knight e3, c5. Rook e1 has got rook c3. We need knight e3 then. Okay, rook c1. Don't particularly want to lose c4 in a hurry. Entry g4, it's got knight c3 coming. Knight f1. Where else? Maybe king f2, rook knight c3, rook c2. King f2 might be possible. I hope. Knight e4, king e2.
Check.
King e2 or king f3. Let's get this rook out of here. Maybe g4 for f5. This rook's not going anywhere. g4 here for f5. It's undermining my knight on a5, that's nice. Knight d5. There's knight e7, it's not working, rook e8. Knight d4 on the other hand. I'm going to get a move on. Knight b5 might be interesting, try and get a pin. Rook f2, there's knight d3. Rook d1 for rook f2. Alright, done like this. Oh no, hang on. Yeah, nearly losing everything. To rook f2.
Check.
Let's holding d3 for a moment. And there's e5. There's rook g1 check on e5.
Check.
Let's get out of forking squares.
Check.
Right. It's almost 95.
Check. Check. Time warning. Check. check,
Came a mouse race at the end. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Don't know. Navigating through a maze.
check,
I don't know about this. Although the engine
check,
doesn't mind it that much. I thought maybe that's a mistake. This kind of thing. That will give them natural squares for the knights. Yeah, much better than... Yeah, that looks pretty cool, the knight's hair. That looks much more composed than this awkward drunken knights holding each other. It's just better. Yeah, D3's...
check,
Yeah, it's a pain, I gotta say. C5 undermining the knight, brilliant plan. Rook A3, C5.
check,
It's not good here.
check,
Yeah,
check,
it's just...
check, check, check,
Yeah, it's just a mouse thingy race now. Well, I've lost all my pawns actually. Okay, yeah. What happened actually at the end? Sorry, you
Check.
just ran out of time here. Ne4 check, ran out of time. But the evaluation here is yeah, terrible. Now I was getting munched there. I could have, yeah, moral of the story, try and have more centralized squares for the knights. Yeah, knight on c3 is better than just hanging on a3. Oh well, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.